To explore the text formatting options on the web page, I'll go to my website, enter the admin panel, and select any page from the pages I have. Then I can see the title over there, and if I select it, I can see that I have additional formatting options, as well as I can type. Then I can select piece of text and use those formatting options to bring additional look and feel to my web page. Because I don't like the space between those two, I will just very quickly try to remove it like that. I'm in advanced mode, and then I can go further and format more text. It's heading 2, but I'll make it heading 3, then I'll make that bold, and then I can make that large just to show you the options there. Then I can position everything in the middle. And because I don't like the way that I've positioned everything in the middle, I can use Ctrl-Z to undo my changes as well. If I'd like to add more text, I can just type. And then again, select it and format it.